Yes. Good morning. So today I will discuss the program how to generate impulse signal with the help of MATLAB. In control system, we are dealing with number of signal. Some of the signal which we are generally dealing in control system, that are step signal, ramp signal, sync signal, sines signal, cosine signal, impulse signal, pulse signal. So these are different type of the signal which may be utilized for analysis of the system in control system theory. So in this video, I will discuss how to generate impulse signal with the help of control system command, with the help of MATLAB command, right? So let us start with this. CLC, clear screen, whatsoever data is there, that will be clear all. Then n is equal to input. Here, I may use any of the number. N is equal to 1, 2, 3. Whatsoever number I will select on that number, only output is available, because you are already aware what is impulse signal. Impulse signal is only available at that instant, and rest all of the instant signal is 0. Right? So A is equal to n is to 1 is to n. That means only signal is available at n point. Right? On rest all the points, signal will be 0. J is equal to zeros 1 to n. Ones only 1. Right? And zeros 1 to n. Now again, in this case, we are just plotting two different graphs. One is subplot 1, that is for the discrete signal, and second is subplot 2, that is for the discrete signal, right? So plot AJ. This plot is drawn between the A and J, right? A is n and J is this particular data, fine. So on x-axis, what I will represent, that is the time. On y-axis, what I will represent, that is the amplitude, and title of the subplot 1, that is continuous time unit impulse signal. Continuous time unit impulse signal. Subplot 2, 2, 1, 2. This will represent row, column, and subplot. Row 2, column 1, and subplot 2. Stem AJ. This command, this is to generate discrete signal, and in the subplot 2, on the x-axis I will represent n sample, and on the y-axis I will represent amplitude. So for that, commands are x label, n sample. Here, whatsoever you will want to represent, that may be type, and on the y-axis, whatsoever you want to represent, that may be type, right? So x label, n sample. On x-axis I want to represent n sample, and on y-axis I want to represent amplitude, right? Then after that, title of the plot 2 is discrete time impulse signal. Discrete time impulse signal. Title of the subplot 1 is continuous time unit impulse signal. Title of the plot 2 is discrete time unit impulse signal. So this is the program how to generate impulse signal. On this, here it is a run. I am just going to click it, right? Then now this is the output for this program. This is a continuous time unit impulse signal, right? This is the output wave shape. On x-axis I am representing time, on y-axis I am just representing this amplitude, and title of the subplot 1 is continuous time unit impulse signal, right? This is your subplot 2. On x-axis I am representing n sample, on y-axis I am representing amplitude, and title of the graph is discrete time unit impulse signal. So these are the two graphs which I will obtain with the help of this particular program, right? This is the continuous time unit impulse signal, This is the discrete time unit impulse signal. Thank you.